7 surprisingly simple ways fitness coaches can help clients with low-level back pain. Hey, I'm Sarah from mostmotion, and I'm here with another video for every sports and fitness coach who wants to help their clients out of low-level pain, but they might not even know where to start. So, why are we doing this video? Well, recently I've seen loads and loads of fitness coaches teaching people methods or trying to use exercises to treat pain. And there's one thing you need to understand about those kind of videos. They put you in massive amounts of hot water. Why? Because fitness coaches are overstepping their boundaries as a coach, and more importantly, the limits of their insurance if they try to treat pain and they're not certified to do that. So if you are one of those coaches, you need to listen very carefully to what I'm telling you in this video, because there's loads of ways you can help. I'm going to show you that right now. So I've been treating clients with pain for a long time, both on the treatment table and online with movements. I've helped thousands of people out of pain that previously thought they couldn't get out of pain. So this stuff really works, and I really care that you stay inside of your coaching boundaries and inside of your insurance, and that you can help people the same way I have. So I'm going to show you these 7 simple ways, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip right at the very end of the video as well that's going to make it super, super useful for you. So what are we talking about? We're talking about back pain. Well, back pain happens because of a movement restriction somewhere else in the body, okay? This movement restriction is not painful. Okay, and I have not found a client yet who has ever come to me with pain that this doesn't apply to. Okay, so this applies to everybody, all of your clients, whether they're actually in pain right now or not. So these movement restrictions are not painful. As non-painful movement, as fitness coaches, this is what we do. We're very, very good at it. We're totally allowed to get involved with this. So the 7 simple ways that you can help your clients out of pain using non-painful movement are this, okay? The first 2 are to do with spinal compression. If the spine has been compressed too long, then it tends to get very stiff, and that can cause pain in itself. So there's 2 ways you can do something about that. You can ask your clients to sit against a wall at the bottom of a squat and just move around a little bit at the bottom of the squat and allow the base of the spine, the tailbone especially, to get some space and some distance. The second way that you can do it is to ask your clients to hang from a pull-up bar or something like that with their feet firmly on the floor, and that way the body can help to elongate the spine and allow some traction through the spine that will help with that as well. Remember, that needs to be non-painful to help with your clients. So the third way is spinal extension. Loads of people forget about this, but we concentrate so much on tightening the area around the core, around the front of the body, that when it gets short and it doesn't move very well, the muscles on the back of the body get too long, they don't move very well either, and that can cause pain. So if we allow a little bit of spinal extension, very non-painful, very safe to do, then we can help relieve the pressure on the lower back, and that can help get rid of your pain, or your client's pain. The fourth way is to move sideways, okay? If you can move sideways, your clients can move sideways with the spine. One way, easier than the other way, is going to increase the amount of strain going through the spine, going through the lower back, and that might contribute to pain as well. So the 5th way is spinal rotation, and this is a huge, huge issue, especially people who do lots of planks, lots of pull-ups, lots of push-ups, that kind of thing. If your clients are doing lots of that, they need to incorporate spinal rotation into their program, because if they lose this ability to move their hips and their rib cage independently of each other, it's going to cause massive amounts of strain around the spine itself, and that can contribute hugely to low back pain. So the 6th way is to lengthen the inside of the thigh. Okay, why does this contribute to back pain? Because when your leg bone is internally rotated, it increases the pressure around the base of the spine, and that can contribute to pain. So if we lengthen the inside of thigh, we reduce the amount of internal rotation that your clients are getting, and that way we're reducing the amount of strain on the lower back. Remember, we're not treating the lower back, we're reducing the amount of strain on it. So the fourth way is to lengthen the hip flexors. Everybody knows that we sit down way too much. Most of our clients sit down way too much as well, but most coaches will dive straight into, hey Dom, they'll dive straight into lengthening the hip flexors, and then this is an idea that they're helping, which they will, but if you dive straight there, it might not help, okay? So, best of all, this is all non-painful movement, which means you don't have to sacrifice any of your clients' training time to dedicate time to it. You can just do it while you're training them. And if that sounds good to you, then you can grab a free copy of my book, The Coach's Guide to Long-Term Injury Prevention Success. Just click the link in the description and you can get it absolutely free. So what is the bonus tip I was talking about? Well, if you do all of these 7 steps, all of these 7 tips in that order, you will get better results than anybody has ever seen before. So if you like this video, make sure you click the likes, the hearts, comment, share it with people you might think would be helpful to see this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.